Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Gramma in a Box. And this is the March box, and it's St. Patrick's Day treats. So, let's see. Sneak peek at our April box is Earth Day themed. That's cute. First project, we have a crispy pot of gold cups. And then we have some St. Patrick's Day cookies. All the cards come with instructions and then like the ingredients on the back in case there's any kind of allergies. Then all of her social media sites, which I should have in the description box. And let's take a look.
Yeah, my answer.
Okay, so Raylan's here with me. And we always have some melting chocolate for the first two projects, or the first project actually. Oh, some fell out. Yeah, you could stick them in there. Also have some little crispy cereal puffs. We have our icing, so we got yellow, orange, white, and green. Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah.
It always comes with like a little extra thing, and we got this little bendable little clover guy. That's adorable.
Jasmine's gonna love it.
Yeah, he will love it. We have some little cups for the pots of gold. Several sprinkles. We have little gold chips, some rainbow sprinkles, and then different green St. Patty's Day ones. Then we have a pot or a hat, clover, bigger clovers, and a rainbow. Those are super cute. And then we have some parchment paper to put our treats on so that they can dry. So we're going to go ahead and start making it and insert the footage. So for the first project, I melted the chocolate in the microwave, gave that a really good mix until it was all melted and there was no more chunks or lumps in it. Then you dump in the cereal and mix that really quickly until everything is well coated. I noticed on the picture it looked like a lot of the examples, it was supposed to be green, but mine's like a goldish color. So you just evenly disperse those into the cups and sprinkle them with the little gold looking pieces. Takes about 10 or 15 minutes for them to set up and kind of harden, but these are really good. Probably my favorite in the box was that. Next we have our cookies, so you can see the kids in the background working on theirs. Raylan still just clumps all the icing in one spot. I try to help her smooth it out, but oftentimes she's not interested in that. So I normally do a couple and then the kids do the rest. And it's tons of fun. Good variety of sprinkle colors. And here are our final creations. A striped little hat or pot. Little clovers, and then the rainbows in the back. And yeah, that's what we created this month. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I have all the information in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.